What's up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with yet again another video. All right, so today we're going to talk about building business credit. Okay, so I already made a video stating exactly how you can get your EIN and how you can get your business up and running no matter what state you're in, things like that, right? So if you haven't checked out that video, make sure you go and check that video out. All right. What this video is going to be about is basically to just give you a few key indicators onto what exactly you should be doing when you're building business credit. Okay. So it's not just about the vendors that you have. It's not just about getting gas cards. It's not just about things like that, right? You really got to be structured all across the board when it comes to data points. And I always stress this to you guys because the data points are going to exceed your limits. All right, it's not just about being approved. It's about being approved for 25, 35, 40,000, right? We don't want baby money. We want big money. So in order to get big money, a lot of the times, you know as well as I know, you have to follow certain rules before you can acquire that, okay? There's steps, there's building blocks, there's also tips and tricks and things like that to where you can go around things, but you always have to have a solid foundation. Okay, so I'm gonna just tell you guys, like when you're getting your, and this is a very small piece of how I build business credit. It's very small piece, but I just want to use it as an example because it can flow all across the board. All right, so when you're getting your Quill, your Granger, and your cards like that, you want to make sure that you're not just getting those accounts and just letting them sit. Okay, because if you're getting those accounts and letting them sit, the credit bureaus have already adapted about, I want to say about 8 years ago, about getting a card and just letting it sit, because they realized that people would do that to boost their credit and things like that, right? So they wouldn't spend any money on it. They would just get the card and let it sit. All right. And of course, that's a good way to build credit history. Now, you can also do that now as well, but it just takes a lot longer than what it would be with my methods. All right. I'm not really, I don't really cater to the slow game. Like I don't like moving slow at all, but I do understand that you have to move strategically. Okay. So don't think that, you just have this impatient, like, oh, I need it now. I need it now. You don't need it as bad as you think. Okay. What you need is a solid foundation. That's what you need, like urgently. Right. So we want to make sure that our structure and our foundation is built properly. So make sure that when you're getting those cards, make sure that you're spending like 50 or more dollars. Like I usually spend like 100, right? I usually take like $100, and it doesn't matter what you get. You can get very simple things, like you can get toilet paper, things like that. If you don't really know what you're doing, if you're building a business just to get money, or if you're building a business to just sit there until you're ready to start to run that business, and which is a very good idea, right? Don't wait until you want to start running and doing things and making moves to build it. If you know you want to do it now or in the future, then you might as well start to build it now. So that's what I suggest. Having like $100 worth of stuff from those companies, like you can get load up on toilet paper and stuff like that, right? Essentials, basic needs. If you need something from those places, then of course get what you want. But these are for just I teach very unorthodox. So these are just for my students who have businesses. Yes, and I'll just stop there, right? So yes, that's for y'all. So make sure that y'all just spending a little bit of money so that they can actually report, all right? Because if you don't spend any money, then there's nothing to report. Yes, you have the account, but there's nothing to report. They want to see finances. They want to see data points. They want to see what it is that you're doing. Okay, you have to be utilizing it and make sure that you're making those payments on time. 2 payments is actually very good for each month, but make sure that you're making those payments on time. Okay. Also, to switch things up a little bit, I'm gonna make sure that the consultation giveaways are not only on Sundays. I'm gonna just do weekly consultations. All right, because I don't want to influx or inflate like the comments and things like that when people are just trying to comment just because they know it's close to Sunday, right? So if you're really looking at these videos, if you really tapped in, I'm gonna actually be able to know from exactly what you're saying. Okay. I have a lot of consultations to do today. That's first things first. So be on the lookout for another video. I'm not gonna drop the consultation or the winners of the consultation just yet. So just be on the lookout for a lot of major videos that I'm about to start dropping. Especially, I've been, like you said in the last video, I've been just kind of chilling, doing some research on some things, talking to some people, getting some things going. I got a lot of big things coming up, most definitely. The last time I told you guys I had something big coming up, y'all already know it's the grocery store. I'm not yet ready to make the announcement of what it is, but just know I got something big coming for you guys, and you guys will be a part of this project, okay? I'm always looking for moving a step ahead, all right? A lot of things that I say, I try not to give out too much because I understand that this channel is growing, and I don't want my message to be conflicted in any type of way, right? So I don't want to tell you guys what I'm doing. Somebody may beat me to the punch, all right? Or try to adopt that brain space onto whatever it is that they're doing. So I want to keep everything very small, very intimate, but at the same time, when we pop out, y'all know how we popping out, all right? And everybody can just learn and flow from there. Y'all take the sauce, do what you want to do. You know I'm a big advocate of it anyway. That's what I'm here for. Use me, literally. All right, so it's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with another video. Just wanted to drop that gem with you guys. For my people building businesses, you guys will be exceeding, you guys will be ahead of literally everybody else. For my business people, and especially Age Corp, like y'all already know, but for my business people, you guys will definitely be leading the way because there's a big shift going on. All right, there's a huge shift going on. So if you got a business, or if you got multiple businesses, understand that within the next year, you're definitely going to be leading the way. All right, so get prepared, get ready, get knowledgeable, know what's going on, know where the game came from, know where it is, know where it's going, man. It's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with another video. I'm gone.